How's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics. This is a Fitbit Charge 2 band replacement video. Whether you are replacing your Fitbit with a set of new bands that are identical to your old ones, or maybe you decided to go with a more designer look like leather or stainless steel, or maybe even wood, the process of changing the band is all the same. Underneath there's two metal clips, and you're simply gonna press the clip, push the band up and away, and that removes the band. Also other side, up and away. You can see there's little grooves there that fit onto clips here. Now I like to use this I like to use my Fitbit like this when I go out running. I'll simply put this in the back of my running shorts here. Got a nice zipper pocket back here, right? And this way I don't have it on my wrist as I'm getting all sweaty while I'm running, and it still will record the steps. All right, zip it up, and that way your steps and your miles get recorded still. Also, I will use the Fitbit like this if I'm out and pushing the stroller. I found that if I have the Fitbit on my wrist when I am pushing the stroller, it's not actually counting my steps. So I'll take the bands off, and again I'll put it in my pocket, and that way I'm making sure to get my steps counted. So when you're ready to put the bands back on, whether you've used it for the ways that I just mentioned or putting new bands on it, okay, you're simply just gonna line up the grooves again and slide it down, and you'll hear a click. Let's see if we can catch the click. Hey, there's the click. And let's see if we can do this other one here. Not that big of a click, but that's it. So it's two bands, press, pull, and then press, line it up, okay? Press back on, clicks back into place. Same with the other side. Line it up, push down, and there you are. That is a Fitbit Charge 2 band replacement. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to see future videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. And until next time, see you soon. Take care.